So in this how-to series, we finally made our way to the big brother of the double crochet, the triple crochet, or TC if you're reading a pattern. It's not used in a lot of patterns, but it's definitely necessary to learn. It's a great knot for more intricate patterns or to work your way up a lot faster. As always, I'll be showing you two methods. The first will be pencil and the second will be knife method. The knots will be the same, the only difference will be the grip. And I'll be using a category 4 medium weight yarn and the recommended 5mm hook. So to start this off, we're going to grab our yarn, make a slip knot, insert our 5mm hook, and then we're just going to make a chain of 10. Now from here, we're going to be working on a pencil method first, so go ahead and block off the last chain that you have with your middle finger and your thumb. Then we're going to be chaining up 4. This counts as a treble crochet, and since we're doing pencil method, we're going to hold the hook, making sure that it's facing towards us. And a treble crochet is basically just a double crochet, but with 2 yarn overs. So go ahead and yarn over once, yarn over twice, and then we're going to insert our hook into that loop that we blocked off with our fingers, or the 5th loop from the hook. So go ahead and insert your hook. And then from here, we should have 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through the chain. We should still have 4 loops. And from here, we're just going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is our treble crochet. And we're going to do this one more time in pencil method. So we're going to yarn over twice, insert our hook into the next loop, should have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through the chain, and from here we should still have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And these are our treble crochets using pencil method. So up next is treble crochets working in knife method, which is my preferred method. So this is going to be the same thing as pencil method. So we're just going to hold our hook, making sure that it's pointing outwards. We're going to yarn over twice. We're going to insert our hook into the next loop. And we're going to pull through the base chain. And we should have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do that one more time. So we're going to yarn over twice, yarn over once, yarn over twice. Go ahead and insert your hook into the next loop that we have. Then we're going to yarn over, pull through the base chain. We should have 4 loops. Go ahead and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. And that is our treble crochet using the knife method. And I'm going to keep going until I finish this chain, and then I'm going to show you how to work our way up to start a new row. So now I finished our first row of treble crochet, and I'm just going to show you how to build up so that we can start our second row. And like the first one, we're going to do another chain of 4. And this counts as a treble crochet. From here, we're going to flip our work, and then we're just going to do more treble crochets, and this is how it's done. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over twice, insert our hook into the first loop, yarn over, pull through. We should have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and one more time, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is the beginning of how to make a second row of treble crochet. Thank you so much for watching this how-to treble crochet tutorial. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or on my Instagram and Twitter, both at TCDDIY. And also let me know if you'd like to see any patterns that incorporate treble crochets. I'd love doing them. Lastly, give this video a thumbs up if you're liking the series, and thank you again for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.